thanks to my pallet forks, the tractor, the big tool rack, and my log splitter, I brought everything I need way back into the woods in one trip with one vehicle. On the back of the tractor, I've got the Bigtoolrack Ultimate Rack and lots of storage on here. You can see I've got my chainsaw there. Inside I've got my log ox, my chaps, my gloves, my forestry helmet, fuel for the log splitter. Over there I've got a second chainsaw, my little limbing saw, and more fuel for the chainsaw and everything over here. And really more storage than I even can think of using, so it's pretty incredible. On the back here with the receiver, I've got the hitch connected with my log splitter, and then of course with the pallet forks I was able to bring back this firewood tote all in one trip. So now I'll be able to cut up that log, split it, and drop the split pieces directly into the rack. Then I'll swing around and I can bring it all out again, one vehicle, one trip. I'll tell you what's also nice is this flip down tailgate on the big tool rack. Gives you a nice work area. Now I could disconnect the log splitter and I could even drop the big tool rack because it has these wheels, these casters that extend, and I could have a workstation here. But I'm just gonna leave it hooked up to the log splitter because I don't have a whole lot here to do today, but that little work area is pretty nice. Well, that worked out great. One trip in, one trip out. I came out with a full tote of split firewood. All the mess is left in the woods. Now I can just park this tote, cover it up, and I'm good to go. I really like that routine. I'm gonna be doing that more and more. Basically driving a train through the woods, but it's pretty maneuverable. It's not so bad. And I think it's well worth it to do it that way because it's just so much easier than dragging things out and doing all that work. Anyway, I wanna thank Bigtoolrack. I wanna thank Log Ox. I wanna thank you